Berklee Abu Dhabi, how y'all feeling tonight? Oh, now that was really whack. Let me check this side. Berklee Abu Dhabi, how you feeling tonight? Oh, now that side's kind of quiet. Let me try this side. Berklee Abu Dhabi, how you feeling tonight? Oh, yeah. So, you know, I came from Atlanta, Georgia, and I thought I would make it a little funky. Is that all right for you? Can I make it funky for you, Abu Dhabi? Is that all right? Here we go, fellas, take me in. Say this hit for that ice cold Michelle, fight for that white girl. This one for them hood girls, them good girls. Straight masterpiece, styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Got my ducks on with my Saint Laurent. How to catch myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman, I'm too hot. Hey, make a dragon wanna retire, man, I'm too hot. Say my name and who I am, I'm too hot. And I'm bad about that money, break it down now. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. It's Saturday night, we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Just watch. How y'all doing on this side? Y'all with me? Hey, why? Yeah, don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Hey, 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 stop, stop. Wait a minute, fill my cup, put some liquor in it. Take a sip, sign a check. Hey, Julio, get the stretch right to Harlem, Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. If you show up, you're gonna show up. Hey, smoother than a fresh up skippy. Too hot, hey, say, call the police and the fireman, I'm too hot. Hey, say, make a dragon wanna retire, man, I'm too hot. I say my name and who I am, I'm too. Hey, say, hey. Now, you know, I wanna talk to you for a second. Can I talk to y'all, Abu Dhabi? Oh, now you know what? This doesn't feel like Berklee College of Music. Can I talk to y'all, Abu Dhabi? Oh yeah, now that's a little bit better. How we feeling in the back tonight? Are we still good? Oh, come on now. What about the good seats in the front? Are we still doing all right? Oh, those are folks who paid good money for the good seats up front. So, you know, I believe in dreams, and one thing about dreams and being at Berklee College of Music, nothing is impossible. And every once in a while, you'll have people in your life who doubt you, and people who will say your dreams can never come true. But to those people, when you get upset, don't get frustrated. I want you to tell them one thing. I want you to tell them right here. Hey, say Uptown, funk you up. Say Uptown, funk you up. Hey, I said Uptown, funk you up. I said Uptown, funk you up. Help me say now. Say it like you mean. Say, and I dance, jump on it. If you're hot, then let's flown it. Say, dance, jump on it. If you're hot, then let's flown it. Say, dance, jump on it. If you're hot, then let's flown it. Say, this Saturday night, then let's flown it. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Hey, say, uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Say, uptown, funk you up. Uptown, you up. Now, I don't think you really heard me in the back. Did you hear me on the right side? Oh, that side's not ready, but did you hear me on the left side? And what about all my friends in the middle? Oh, no. Oh, no. I think we have a problem, fellas. Fellas, I think we got a problem. Because every once in a while, I told you, you're going to have some haters that are going to doubt your dream, but you got to look them right in the face. You have to look them in adversity and say, oh, yeah, no matter how low I get, 1, 2, 3, 4.